Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that allows you to enter expiry and manufacturing dates in a simplified month-year (YYYY) format during purchase entry. To enable this setting, open Logic Admin and go to Global Settings. From there, go to the Purchase Options tab. Locate the option titled Allow Expiry and Mfg Date in Purchase in Month-Year format. Save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Let's proceed with the purchase entry. Now simply define the expiry date in month-year format. Due to the enabled option, you'll notice that the software now allows you to enter the expiry date in the simplified YYYY format.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.